Tamwanja ntuku ya Jumaine tariki mwanja cha mweri 10 mwakene turiyo ngirire 25 na ine chandato chia Meru TV tha mwanja PS wa petroleum wijikene ya Liban Muhammad kuma kaunti ya Isiolo achumirite na kuria yuthi kuma kaunti ya Isiolo bombe kuthira bagichumira na guchandikire kire mitaratere komba kuthire kire twithirikare irenjire mweya kuiguna na kinya kuigwatira mbecha ariti ya kibori bachumira na guchandikithia akimutaratara yonyota yore yombe kuthira yukirurwa ndigurune yonde
program in the country. In fact, the president has directed all principal secretaries in the countries to visit, their respective homes to ensure that this program is going to be executed. This program has got three phases. The first phase, we are targeting about 100 youth, whereby in each ward we'll be recruiting about 70, and each of them will be given 50,000 to make them, to grow. Then the second phase is about the 90,000 youth who are also targeted under capacity building. For those who have just gotten, their own experience, but they have got no certificate, so NTETO will be initiating that. And among them also there will be additional another 20,000, which is going to be under capacity building. So the objective of this program is that in our population in the country, we have got 75%. It's absolutely the composition of the youth in the country. These youth, when they finish, their primary level, majority of them, they are not just left behind. Similarly, even the ones who actually join, the secondary, they cannot make it, to university. It doesn't mean that, they are stupid, but because of some other factors, economic factors, social factors, that make them not grow. So the government has actually come up with this program to make sure that, they can get, employment. The government cannot achieve 100%, but gradually will be able, to meet them. So the objective is employment and also empowerment in terms of business support, and also we make them, to be engaged, with the government. Because if they are idle, because the idle mind, English people say that it is devil's workshop. So they can go to drugs, they can go to insecurity. But if, they have been engaged, then the security will reduce. At the same time also, there will be a better youth, in the future. So today is the rollout. And in March, there are 3 departments who have actually been assigned this work. The Department of Youth, the Department of Macro and Small Enterprise, and also the Labor. They come together. But as a government whole program, others are also joining in to make sure what we are going to do for this. So the surprise project which was started in March, they are being given number plus star 254 hash. Once they go to there, they don't pay for it. Okay. At the same, they can also use, their sophisticated gadget, the ones they're using for TikTok or whatever. But they can also use, the Mulukamizi. So that when they go enter there, then there's a process they can follow until they do the submission. So they did that. And at that time now, I'm just coming to Isiolo, because each ward, actually in Isiolo North, it is only Wabera who has registered, about close to 1,800. Then in Isiolo South, at least, the 3 wards have registered. So we have now given them from tonight up to 12, so that they'll be able now to enroll, to make sure that at least we get a minimum of 70 youths, and these 70 must be 50-50. So that girls cannot be left behind and the boys can also hand together, so that up to 12 of December and October, then they'll be able now to see how far they have done. So I'm also coming back again here on 17 to do the validation, to make sure that, at least the entire county is being covered. So today is the rollout. It will sensitize, and on top of that, and also I was able, to execute what the government has done under the PETA project in terms of, the 5 pillars. That is the housing, that is the agriculture, that is, the digitalization, which is now where the world is going. So the macro and the small, and also the health. So that those are the few so that the community can understand. So this forum is also part of the engagement to make, the citizen also to understand. But more so, we are engaging with the youth so that they become, a better citizen in future.
Gavana wa kaunti ya Isiolo abdiguyo na kathi anene nyuma yawe kumba kwithira gitiro gimo mwiri bo kumba kwithira mukiagirithwa kaunti ya Isiolo Bone nyuma yawe kumba kwithira kiandika PHOs kana public health officers 16 akendo tire rwangirwo gima bo mwire county ya Isiolo iri kumba kwithira rukiagira ntu barabo tumite bara barutangwe rwangine ru pachokete nkado muno kiringa bana ubakimwira nende nete na mbere na utira gima bo mwire county ya Isiolo ibukumba kwithira bukiagira.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
My name is Tari Diba. I'm the County Public Health Officer. I'm glad to receive and host our officials from our union, KEFU, led by Brown Ashira, our Secretary General. We are also happy that our government has also employed 16 public health officers. And this is a good milestone because we have never had such a number of people being employed. And this will boost our work in terms of appropriation of staff at the 10 wards in Isiolo County. We are also lobbying for the welfare of our staff because Isiolo is very wide. We have 25 kilometers square land. Population of around 300,000 people, and we are in county we are around 60 public health officers, and majority are in the verge of retiring, and we want a youthful and energetic staff who can be able to improve service delivery. Also, Isiolo, we need support in terms of logistics. Transport issue is a challenge.
That's true.
And we are lacking mobility because it is very wide. We need fuel also to go around and check the activities. Also, I want also to thank our governor because he has improved health, especially in infrastructure. We have 7 ambulances, we have facilities being constructed, new employment of healthcare workforce. But what remains is now also promotion, redesignation of staff to improve on their service delivery. Thank you.
Comrades, power.
Power.
Yeah, my name is Juma Maelo. I'm the National Vice Chair for the union, KEFU, Kenya Environmental Health and Public Health Practitioners Union.
Yes.
Actually, today we are in Isiolo because we want to make sure that public health officers' issues are taken care of.
Yes.
We want to make sure that public health officers have been promoted, that public health officers who have been employed are only 16. We want to make sure that at least another 40 or 80 or 60 public health officers are employed so that we can actually lower the disease burden. Yeah, because we have realized that the moment you employ public health officers, actually you save on the funds that now you'll use maybe to construct roads and to do other activities in the county. Only public health officers can help you to save that amount.
Yeah.
By employing them, we'll actually lower the disease burden.
Yeah.
Actually, I will leave it at that, and welcome.
Tuketana mbere na thato chia Meru TV tha mugwanje MC wa Bogeta West Kenya ya DMK kiogora chiumirite na kumeneria nene thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ire tongeretwe ni Rais William Ruto akiwa nende kuma bare kuyukia wathani othe wetina mbere abethirite bakireta kaunti ya Meru no gakinyambo Kenya akomba kwithira kiria thina kaitene kuna kuthurangite makutho utongeria bo akiwa nende kinyambo taratara jwa shayo tekomba kwithira yukiruta ngui arameneretia nene akinyambo bango uyu nyomba chia mbecha inini chia thirikari.
Nawe DMK kiogora mutongeria kiamene kia Mbas na MC wa Bogeta ya Baruguru muthenya jwa narua na umirite na kumeneria bunene utongeria ba President William Ruto wa mwana thirikari yawe na kuga thirikari ije kaithirite gitongia na itikumakirankia
anto baginto kiraba oskumake ikiraba kurira biashara ciao batena ngugena mwananchi na ninda uga onde kiogora ndiye MKMC wa Bogeta West manto atuta mukagweterwa kaire na mbetete oni kiara kige kwa gwaka gwekira rukunyo isieta kwa stiko ni cigwekirwa ni koronare roro raja rungana ro akirangiere ndio ro no kona nkeru ina inderio ya munyere jwa nyoni nkiuga one time no ntona nde totomba gwikagwa state house na ndauga nkareto state house yukaire na toeto mbese tueja watu MCA cia kwa MCA my colleague bagana cia kwa bakaria
Niare kinya DMK Kiogora itirite President William Ruto kathanguthio ni gwita Kenya na mbeca makanisene indi mirandi ya thuriri-ini ya Kenya ethirite akimitejanĩria.
Igora baratwitite kathero na au arambine President ya Kenya agaita milioni 10 kuri wa musara yongana ugwe Kibaki atwire kwijara mbiko ko atura gwita milioni 1 kana 2 uru arare aratura kwijara mbiko arita milioni 1 kana 2 ugwo rija na 10 igwake wina mbeca Kenya ari gwatuika mwananchi atina mbeca na ibate otindorera mwananchi atina mbeca anto abakumia lakini watwira na ndeje ni na kathero bukaya wangirira ate cia konda bere ibagane oni otembeca nkwenda kare chumeni ya Ruto oketha kwe mbeca ina cio na atume mbeca isecurity mwananchi atige kumia no ntoni ntathuri ni mbita kwa comfortable gwakwa kana kwa mwekuru okwa MCA baba Meru gutwira twita tugokirie biara biere na regembe ote MCA ori insurance thai MCA wengo inyweka kainyerekete ngori ari wether mpinyerekete amwananchi wa inyerekete ate insurance neja ni SRC lakini twero twita hii procurement thirikari cia county cieta court Ruto ugandi sobe the court
iromba na mutongeria uju nandi kiria Kenya na mono antu babethi
oni kirankera antu betu especially antu babethi kura ni kwandikithwa jukia ni kura Ruto 2027 yakanyanga inje nonto Ruto gakana nonto korite toswa Meru itebira biorongamo ne Meru te muntu kathuru ore ome we mumeru tema lakini to kwa affected batu ipolice iri kwendera national kinyo endero tweta state house yeto mathaira state house iro twitote tweye nyaka kanyaga kwaria oni mbuga antu ibainyerekete ground mbesa ite guthiuruka antu bati utirabe matatu aigo pa kwanja antu bate kuoneka bagwita matatu ii ote twakanya inyo tweta tharaka irundu ni gwa kinde kitwari igwo ijoga tugonera tukana batu inya tutu ingwe twina na inchi tukuigwa tubati kweja kubwira manto jao ote tweja inya kanyaga kwaria igo twira rungameni bukethia bonwe atora ere sinema batu twetaga kuona i president rungameni bo evunjara bokethi kethera igo gwantumite nkwara iria ngakwariria atethera ngwetake kwirwa nkero ito gwakirwa oni ntakite kwa baba nkwirwa ngwakirwa anga ito gwakira nyomba na Meru anka athama gwakwa ngakare nyomba cia gwakira mutindwa ogwa ko athama gwakwa akare mutindwa anote na kwao kenda wira gwana ndi abo gwakirwa o mwirite atwakire barabara mikombo na enjo kangio nu otekama tembesa iwo thithia cio barabara
bo bwe bakenda bwe 10 ni ate ya Kenya ni bethere bakiria mbeca ikaretwo maturene ni atongeria baba ni untu baregete kuthithia mirandi ya witi na mbere ni kenda bakagura Kenya
ambwira gintu kira ba interested ya kuthithia mbeca cia gweja obogora mbeca cia korokeraja wanenkirore ni mbeca lakini hiyo serikali lazima ikanyange inje for the sake of mwananchi kinya kwa tuika kuba support kwa to cost kabato ya cost yeu lakini mwananchi akalebwega mu Kenya na mu Kenya tukwenda akalebwega toteja twiranga Meru ka ethwa city erethwa city ethwa daitole mio kara town janko bwana ntunyote mbesa nto bamatatu batioka matana itithwa city tongerwa goli tatongerwa ambi tongerwa taxes na tongerwa goti anto beronderete abarugire city ujokia nini utotheni tiabararagire bauga boto ethwa city ni manto jara iteria ko totio jamba chokia ni kaire Meru takinya nto akwethwa city tukatina kwa irua utwiranga city eto inje twara tukurara muntu arare akamutukawe kamkurugira mwana one tubesa twa wathomithia mwana ona muhajie njare ya sibitari eu ni osete ke mwananchi wa kawaida yo toteto ira tukaria thirikari twakirwe city cia maito tona city yakunere city yaku ne ara ogwa ukaramu ekoro kunja ku kereja bwega
nkiripotera Meru TV mbeta Jeff Wagitumam
Ibya mno mwandiki wetu wa NTETO Jeff Wagitumano ntuborondu na njira endi kuwa karibu kumanterecha yembe machumirite na kuria gavana wa kaunti ya Meru mutuma twethinkia ombe kwithira kibathikira no bachokeria Mutia James Mutia akirikanya kawe kararwamirite mantu yegie urimi bakiari na muthoro ibagwetine ndebo beno bwana ntu James Mutia komba kwithira kibilu kanyene kame bangwira ari no yarimi ikomba kwithira kiurira ndi batumite ntumwa ki gavana wa Meru mutuma twethinkia bathikire na achoke James Mutia kanyene kawo ntu bora butumite nende bakameneria nene mubunge wa gicigo mbunge kia Yembe Central Dan Kiliba Kiwa kinya mutuma kinya James Mutia akumba kwithira gichuno kanya kawe na ari mtombere wa utira James Mutia akumba kwithira kebelo kanya ne kakawe riboti ya mwandiki wetu wa NTETO Mukirio Nkunja.
Ni akaribembe baumirite na muthuro no ntubo kwibwate chief officer no James Mutia urora andiki thirikari ni akaunti ya Meru no mbete kwithira kebebelwetene bakwabo NTETO ini si baringithite bunene no ntuyu no enkabaraisi na batetha cianturene
tu antu ba kiengo igembe East sub county twari aritho rimwe taro Mutia
muthuro munene sana ati ni kuiba ya kwamba ndaga ya twendete muno roa tutethera sina manto maingi aswali nyato ina rambe na manto sendi nyari mina mbeu na nya samaki ati ya kwamba ate na rende ngapa na watu na ligitira mutangu wene
Mutia turona na to bwethari baba na to rigana lakini tha iyo tibi tukuona nombi
cokeria nthaki uyu witwa Mutia no ntunio tuona na kwetu ria twina rambe kana kinya ria twina mantu yetu ya manene ya tukwenda kubwethia no weya
turi antu bembe na turi antu ba athero na antu ba igembe East tutetegeria tuingiro mheshimiwa wetu na Mutia na kuuru antu betu bembe itoro mina mure 100% itoro mina mheshimiwa wa njia bwana Ali 100% na twasoka tukaroma na mheshimiwa James Mutia na kweyana etomine batu mutuma itubo no tarere mawaziri tuiba sumtandao ni bakanisa Methodist tutabona na kana borabona bwe kwe waziri onge account buisie batu kwe chief officer onge buisie
ori bakimweta ari mutongorio witi na mbere ni bawita ati na bareterete kinya mirandi yo kuria makuyo na indi monkathaie kwebelwetene kini bakona mirandi iyo itumba kwithira ita na mbere na ikio bakirombwa chief officer ombe kwithira na usokirwete kiawe kenda mirandi iyo ita na mbere
Mutia na aratu kumanirite mwanga tukona murandi ya kalime ko nthambiro gatoline mwera project oni ngona batu ngwe to nerare ya mberi next week lakini no Mutia na aratu rente kona ya ngwe gamberia
kwete samaki itore the samaki ya Mutia ntorene mbeo vai mbura itite kura nto beto bataya wa mbeo no nto oraya nto beto mbeo Mutia no raisi nto beto mashinani na nore ya bakinyela na Mutia nkwire nawe kinyawe nuise wigiria mno okya kwithira kwena ina atika kuna mutuma reka kuitha toro twire tukwatie ndro kana nate loi tayari
mwanka thaiyo we koko butanto bembe ndendo kuria butanto bembe munenere atoka imenti no kona kaba kwate anora uratomba kwate turi anto bembe
kaitene kau bakionekana kuolotela kiara kiri mbunge Dan Kele wa Karitho
na kwa ukele kango wakikishira oma itokomenya utatezi bwabwe na mbiyewe chief of staff humanity na oane kenda Mutiengwa no ntono komembetsa muchara yura kuona ni yakwe yakathomethia ywana ria twari na mwire atwitanite kalime ko ana bathomethwa Mutia na muchara yawe lakini wote inya na ithano ciaku na tuwitite na ikia tumiukurwa nwe
ko theta rotere MP ate gwenyo twenjira roe kalime ko kanyankongi tona roe lakini ngoya ne gukumana mutuma je Mutia umangoene
mheshimiwa ndani gele kuengethia Mutia kutikorera kura na kuengethia Mutia ngwene vitiria muyumbe wegembe sentro 2027 na kwere mheshimiwa ndo ethingia womba gwithro thwaneti mundu witwa gile gubwa utethingira undi bo no rongo norere uwengo kinyengira undi ake atithia na coko utethia kana na
ugenda ngikwa ikwebela mongo inga muta nthi muta yuyu twandani kile yukurana na betu bembe yuringe nthi
kiripotera Meru TV kuma Kalimiko Igembe Central kiripotera Meru TV kuma Kalimiko Igembe Central Beta Mukiri Nkunja
Kibaya muno mwandiki wetu wa NTETO Mukirio Nkunja kumanterecha iyembe no ntubo tunenkira riboti unanjira entamburu ku riboti ya mwandiki wetu wa NTETO Mukirio Nkunja yatugira gatanta kinendeto che Meru TV tha muwanja ni wambeta muthoni wa KIRIAMANA na guchukira nkatho che mwanya muno no ntubo tuthiatira akimitandao yote ya ukinyanire Facebook na kinya YouTube Meru TV Kenya amona kinya tutegera okulukira Signet na Pang Meru TV to guchukira nkatho che mwanya muno uketa kura ino ntukwena mibango kathumba yayo mbete kwithire gikuijira ndene ndekaite kura yo gatirimana na ndani the trend barena mrembo guto Empress usikire mubango ywatetemesha.